Welcome to the online news desk of the Insurance Times. The Insurance Times is the first monthly journal on insurance in India being published regularly since 1981. We are celebrating 4 decades of publication in the year 2020. The journal is published both in hard copy and online edition. Here are some highlights of some important news. IRDAI News. IRDAI unveils guidelines to allow wellness features as add-on cover to health policies. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has unveiled the final guidelines on allowing wellness and preventive features under a health insurance policy as optional or add-on cover. According to IRDAI, empaneled hospitals and network providers can offer health services such as outpatient consultations or treatments, pharmaceuticals, health checkups, or diagnostics, including discounts under the policy. IRDAI allows electronic health policies. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has allowed insurance companies to issue electronic health insurance policies. Insurers should send the policy document and a copy of the proposal form through digital or electronic mode. They shall be sent to the registered email ID or mobile number provided by the customer only on the specific consent provided by the policyholder, IRDAI said. New solvency norms for insurers on cards. India's insurance regulator plans to prescribe risk-based solvency requirements and greater equity capital to ensure insurers have sufficient capital adequacy to withstand socio-economic shocks such as the coronavirus pandemic. The regulator also wants insurers to improve the persistency ratio and introduce new products. We are going to roll out some important reforms. Risk-based solvency or capital adequacy system will be introduced. We are working on it and we should be able to do it in about 3 years. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India Chairman S.C. Khuntia said at an industry event. We shall be back after a short commercial break. Please stay tuned. Welcome back after the break. IRDAI working on 2 insurance schemes for MSMEs, another for dwelling units. After bringing out specialized insurance cover for the COVID-19 pandemic, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is planning to come out with standardized insurance schemes for dwelling units and COVID-hit micro, small and medium enterprise segment. IRDAI Chairman Subhash C. Khuntia said 2 standard schemes are being worked out for MSMEs. One is for micro units and another one for small units. As of now, only 5% of MSMEs are covered by insurance. India has 6.33 crore MSMEs, majority of which are micro enterprises. Another standard product is being worked out for dwelling units, he said. Standard insurance products on the cards. The insurance regulator will come out with a series of standardized products to improve coverage in the underinsured segments and increase the adoption of insurance products. It is developing a standard term product in the life insurance space. Two are in the works in the MSME segment, one for micro enterprises and other for small industries, and another for houses will be rolled out soon. The idea is if a standard product is sold by all the companies, it becomes much easier for the policyholders to pick up that product, said Subhash Chandra Khuntia, chairman of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. It will help industries immensely in case they suffer losses. If the product works well, then after natural calamities, it becomes much easier for the government to handle the situation because the insurers are able to compensate for the loss. Pandemic pool should have government and private sector participation. The committee formed by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India to examine the requirement and rationale for setting up a pandemic pool has recommended the formation of an Indian pandemic risk pool with public-private government participation. It has reasoned that this should be done as the quantum of loss because of the pandemic is huge and is beyond and the capacity of public or private companies or government alone. While COVID-19 has caused devastation across all sectors and sections of society, the committee, based on feedback, felt low-income groups and micro, small and medium enterprises should be the main beneficiaries of the pool. IRDAI committee proposes insurance for drones in line with aviation liability. A working committee of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has recommended a comprehensive insurance cover for drones with a third-party liability which should be in line with aircraft or aviation liability as is the practice in the developed nations instead of following the Motor Vehicles Act. While drone operators continue to have minimum levels of insurance such as third-party liability cover, the Committee on Remotely Piloted Aircraft Systems Drone Technology said this may not be comprehensive enough to address the requirement of drone operators. If an accident occurs, there is a risk that coverage is not comprehensive and that an injured member of the public may not be able to obtain adequate compensation or do so easily from the drone operator, is said. This was all from the Online Insurance Times news desk. We will be back with latest news in insurance industry in our next edition.